Hey, what's going on? This is going to be a real quick short video. Just want to go over if you're looking for a brand new opportunity that still have a wide range of potential. It's not oversaturated. There's not over hundreds of members within the program. It's still in its brand new phase where you can earn from $100 to $1,000 with this marketing system, and it comes with leverage. And on the low end from there, you can earn from $25 leverage to $250 leverage with this system. And it's still brand new in its new phase. Been out no more than probably about 8 or 9 months, and it's starting to rocket and take off. You could jump on this opportunity right now with the marketing system. That's $150 one-time payment straight to Cash App. I I have my link in the description below. I don't have a ghost in the house. My baby is turning the light off on me, so it's a good thing I got this thing here, huh? Let's check that out so you guys can see me. But I am a at-home dad. I love working from home. She's always an inspiration for me to get up and do this every day, and you guys are an inspiration for me to get up and do this every day. My name is Corey Norris, and I do affiliate marketing, member-to-member sales, and other types of affiliate marketing with other bigger companies. Um, I used to be a factory worker building manufactured homes. I was a team lead. I started off from the bottom. I've been there for about 5 years, and at that time, I, really started to become a team lead and started to become a supervisor. And then I came down with rheumatoid arthritis and lupus, so that allowed me to have complications at work and stuff. So that's what brought me into the online space, to be able to have a way to earn an extra income from home to still take care of my family, which is still growing. And this will be a perfect opportunity for someone who's new to the online space. It's newbie friendly. It's easy to set up. It's all done for you. Autoresponder, 30-day email capture page. It helps you brand yourself, build your own business. You can market to other companies. You can market your other opportunities with the system. I'm gonna take you over into the back office. And if you're still with me, thanks for staying and rocking with me. When we get to the end of this video, I have a little action taker bonus for you over here in the back office. It'll let you know how many page views and counts and referrals and stuff you've totaled within that day. So that number will keep going up as the day going on. And inside of the marketing system, what you're gonna get, let it kind of load up here, is a way to brand yourself and promote other opportunities with this system. And it's again a one-time $150 fee, startup fee, and it'll allow you to earn $100 plus $25 pass up on 2 level deep. So they teach you how to build a capture page, how to build a bridge page, because branding is very important in this space and field. It helps people learn a little bit more about you, so they build that know, like, and trust with you. It's very important that people build that with you, because that makes them more, when someone know, like, and trust you, it makes it more easier to want to buy with you and join into other things and opportunities that you have when you're able to build that know, like, and trust. And that's very important. That's what I love about this system, be able to integrate a bridge page in there, how to set up an autoresponder now with the company. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. You can get up. You see it. Here you go. Right there. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, daddy almost done. Go ahead. But when you It'll allow you to set up your third-party autoresponder, create a broadcast message that you can send out every 3 days, and keep up with your contact group. Do a QR code, how to set up a link shortener. Yeah, man, it's fully loaded. It's already ready to go for you. Got the built-in video sales pages. You come down over here on this side, there where you got your links, your traffic rotator, your commissions, your sales and stuff. So you go into links, and all your pages that you've built with the system will be here in my page. Where if I put, we have lead magnet pages, video sales pages, all done for you. It's going to capture all your emails, your own capture pages that you can build and put together for different campaigns and marketing systems that you have. And even if you're new to the system, you can start learning how to build your own marketing pages and stuff to learn how to brand yourself with this system. It's very easy to edit pages with it. So if we wanted to edit a page, we'll click here on the pencil mark. We'll come up here and we can change this from thousands to hundreds. I'm going to click Save Changes, close field, and as you can see, we got from thousands to hundreds. If we want, hey, can you relax? If we wanted to change it, but I have the link in the description below. It's going to lead you to a video that's going to do even more in-depth training, not training, but in-depth explaining, so you can further know how to set up with this system if you want to get started with the marketing system at a one-time $150 fee. That's it. No more after that. This is member-to-member sales. No more fees. After that, it's yours. Yeah, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I do apologize. My at-home dad, and this is what affiliate marketing is all about: having the time freedom to spend with your family and, you know, do things that you love. I love being a creator. I love being able to bring you guys these opportunities, and please like, hit a share, you know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel so you keep getting all the updates with new systems, with old systems, stuff that's not working. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what other videos you guys would like to know or find out about. So yeah, rock with me. This is Direct Pay Marketing. My name's Corey Norris, and thank you for getting here to the end. And if you here at the end, I have a quick action taker bonus for you. If you get started with me on the 150 marketing level, I'm going to send 200 targeted clicks to your website to get you going and see you on the other side. All right, this is Corey with Direct Marketing. I'll see you guys later.